Hello, PTE learners. Welcome to this quick 60 to 90-second PTE spoken text practice lecture. Today, you'll listen to a short lecture on a high-frequency 2025 topic. Your task is to focus, take notes, and identify the main idea, 2 supporting points, and 1 example. After listening, pause the video and write your summary in 50 to 70 words. This will help you improve your listening, note-taking, and summarizing skills, all crucial for the PTE exam. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more PTE tips. The history of communication technology shows how humans have continuously improved the way they share information. It began with cave paintings and smoke signals, then progressed to letters, the printing press, and telegraphs. The invention of the telephone, radio, and television made communication faster and more widespread. In the 21st century, the internet and smartphones have completely transformed global interaction. People can now exchange messages, videos, and data instantly across the world. This evolution has made the planet more connected but also increased concerns about privacy and information overload. Renewable energy comes from natural sources that can be replenished, such as sunlight, wind, water, and biomass. Unlike fossil fuels, these sources do not produce harmful greenhouse gases and are environmentally friendly. Solar panels, wind turbines, and hydroelectric dams are common technologies used to generate clean power. Many countries are investing in renewable energy to reduce pollution and dependence on oil. Although the initial cost is high, it provides long-term economic and environmental benefits. Transitioning to renewable energy is vital for achieving sustainable development and combating climate change. Medical science has evolved rapidly over the centuries, improving human health and life expectancy. Early discoveries like vaccines and antibiotics helped control deadly diseases such as smallpox and tuberculosis. The invention of X-rays, MRI, and advanced surgical techniques revolutionized diagnosis and treatment. In recent years, biotechnology, genetic research, and artificial intelligence have led to personalized medicine and faster drug development. These innovations not only save lives but also enhance the quality of healthcare. Continuous research and innovation remain vital for tackling future health challenges. Literature has always reflected the culture, beliefs, and values of society. In ancient times, stories were shared orally to pass knowledge and traditions. With the invention of writing and the printing press, literature became accessible to larger audiences. Over time, novels, poetry, and drama evolved to express emotions, political ideas, and social issues. In the digital age, ebooks and online platforms have transformed the way people read and write. Literature today not only entertains but also educates and inspires people across the world, connecting diverse cultures through words and imagination. Urbanization refers to the increasing movement of people from rural areas to cities in search of better opportunities. It has led to economic growth, improved education, and access to modern facilities. However, rapid urbanization also causes major problems such as traffic congestion, pollution, and lack of affordable housing. Many cities struggle to provide basic services like clean water and waste management. To make urbanization sustainable, governments must focus on smart city planning, efficient public transport, and green spaces. Balanced development ensures both progress and a better quality of life for urban residents. Great job listening. Now check your summary against the sample answers shown on the screen. Compare your main idea, supporting points, and conclusion. Did you use correct grammar and complete sentences? If not, try again until you can write a clear 50 to 70 word summary. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon for more PTE prediction lectures and exam tips every week.